Torque wrenches ensure precise tightening, prevent over-tightening or under-tightening, protect components, improve safety, and extend equipment lifespan during repairs. My today's video is about top 5 best torque wrenches for accurate tightening that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lexavan Pound Torque Wrench. This precision torque wrench is an excellent choice for professionals and DIY mechanics who demand accuracy and durability. Manufactured in Taiwan and factory pre-calibrated to an impressive plus or minus 4% accuracy, it delivers consistent torque performance and includes a calibration certificate with a traceable serial number for added confidence. Its reinforced ratchet head is crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, providing exceptional strength and reliable operation even under heavy use. The proprietary electro-black finish protects against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance in demanding workshop environments. Setting the correct torque is effortless thanks to the patent-pending dual-range scale, featuring high-contrast yellow markings on a gloss black background for outstanding visibility, even in low-light conditions. The reversible ratchet head offers smooth operation, while the ergonomic, non-slip knurled handle minimizes hand fatigue and provides a secure grip throughout extended tasks. Combining precision, rugged construction, and user-friendly design, this torque wrench is a dependable tool for automotive repairs, machinery maintenance, and any job requiring accurate torque application. Now our second product is Zymel Drive Click Torque Wrench. This 3/8-inch torque wrench is a reliable and well-built tool that delivers excellent precision for automotive and mechanical tasks. Factory calibrated to an impressive plus or minus 3% accuracy and backed by a traceable serial certificate, it ensures dependable torque every time. The laser-engraved dual-range scale features crisp white markings on a black background, making torque settings easy to read in any workspace. Constructed from premium chromium vanadium steel with a durable electro-black finish, it offers outstanding strength, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance. The ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip while reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Its 72-tooth bidirectional ratchet, quick release button, and audible click notification make operation smooth, safe, and efficient, while the pull-lock mechanism allows quick and secure torque adjustments. The included hard plastic storage case keeps the wrench protected and organized. Suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, spark plugs, machinery, home repairs, and DIY projects, this torque wrench combines accuracy, durability, and ease of use, making it an excellent addition to any toolbox. Our third product is Suzum High Accuracy Torque Wrench. The Suzum 1/2-inch torque wrench is a dependable tool that combines precision, durability, and ease of use for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Featuring a dual-scale range of 10 to 170 FTLB, 14 to 231 Nm, with an impressive plus or minus 3% accuracy, it delivers consistent and reliable torque for automotive, marine, motorcycle, and household maintenance. Each wrench is rigorously tested for long-lasting accuracy, giving users confidence in every job. Its 72-tooth reversible ratchet head requires only a 5-degree swing, making it ideal for working in tight spaces, while the pull-down locking knob allows quick and secure torque adjustments. Constructed from hardened chrome vanadium steel with a wear-resistant electrophoresis finish, the wrench is built to withstand years of demanding use. The laser-etched dual scales remain easy to read, and the ergonomic aluminum handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip that reduces fatigue. A clear audible click and noticeable vibration signal when the preset torque is reached, helping prevent over-tightening. Overall, the Suzum torque wrench offers outstanding value, accuracy, and reliability for a wide range of repair and maintenance tasks. Now number 4, Toulant Drive Compact Ratchet Wrench. The Toulant 3/8-inch drive ratchet is an impressive addition to any toolbox, offering exceptional performance and a remarkably compact design. Its ultra-low-profile head easily reaches recessed fasteners in engines, machinery, and other confined spaces where standard ratchets struggle. The precision 90-tooth gear mechanism delivers an incredibly smooth operation with just a 4-degree swing arc, making tight space work faster and more efficient. Despite its compact size, this ratchet is built for serious durability, producing 1.5 times the ASME-proof torque and lasting over 75,000 operating cycles, well beyond typical industry standards. The one-hand quick-release button allows effortless socket changes without interrupting your grip, improving both speed and convenience during demanding tasks. Crafted for reliability and long-term use, it performs equally well in automotive repairs, motorcycle maintenance, equipment assembly, and everyday DIY projects. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a weekend hobbyist, the Toolant Ratchet combines strength, precision, and user-friendly features into one dependable tool. It also makes a thoughtful and practical gift for anyone who values high-quality hand tools and efficient performance. And our last choice is Carry Drive Click Torque Wrench. This professional 3/8-inch torque wrench is an excellent choice for cyclists, motorcycle owners, and DIY enthusiasts who need precise and reliable torque control. With a dual range scale of 6.8 to 67.8 Nm, 5 to 50 lb-ft, and an accuracy of approximately plus or minus 3% after 20,000 calibration tests, it delivers dependable performance for a wide range of maintenance tasks. Built from hardened aluminum alloy, the wrench offers impressive durability while resisting corrosion and rust. Its ergonomic, non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip and minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. The 72-tooth ratchet head operates smoothly in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, while the quick-release button makes changing sockets fast and secure. Adjusting the torque is simple with the pull-lock mechanism, and the clear click-type feedback lets you know exactly when the preset torque has been reached, helping prevent over-tightening. Suitable for bicycles, motorcycles, general repairs, and DIY projects, this torque wrench combines precision, durability, and ease of use, making it a reliable tool for both professionals and home mechanics alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.